So today in this video, I will be basically comparing LangChain and LlamaIndex. Uh, LangChain is based on prompts, models, memories, chains, agents, where LangChain excels for applications like chatbots and automated customer support, and prompted LLMs to execute tasks like generating text, translating languages, or answering queries, and document loaders that provide access to various documents from different sources and formats, enhancing the LLM's ability to draw from a rich knowledge base. The LangChain uses text embedding models to create embeddings that capture the semantic meanings of text, improving content discovery and retrieval. It supports over 50 different storage options for embeddings and storage and retrieval. And the what you want to say, the LlamaIndex key components are indexing stage, storing, vector stores, embeddings, query, retrieval, post-processing, and response synthesis, and Llama Hub. And a comparative analysis of both is that if you want to simply choose LlamaIndex if your primary need is data retrieval and search capabilities for applications that handle large volumes of data that require quick access, and choose LangChain if you need a flexible framework to support complex workflows where intricate interactions and context retention are highly prioritized. So they're both best in their own fields, and choose whichever one is needed to you. That I have told you guys in this video that they have different work types, and choose whichever one you require according to the work you are needing to be done. So yeah, this is how we can easily this is the comparison of the analysis between LlamaIndex and LangChain. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching this video till the end.